Yo. Straight be the building. How you feeling? Do you want to learn how to effectively journal your thoughts step by step? Well, this is the video for you. We got everything covered. We're gonna go over the step-by-step guide on how to journal your thoughts. Cause I know you got so much going up here. You don't think that you could get it all out. You ever thought to yourself, your brain moves faster than your mouth? Whenever you try to get it on one accord, it never works out. So you stutter, you're anxious, you're nervous to speak, you're clumsy with your words, with your thoughts. So you just feel incompetent, not confident enough. I got you with this video. So I've been journaling my thoughts ever since I was in high school. So at this point, it's second nature to me, right? Every single time I was in class, I would have my phone in my right pocket and my journal and my pen in my right pocket in my book bag. Most of the time, I'd be pulling out my journal and my pen instead of my phone. So it was second nature to me. Every time I would be in class, I would act like I'm doing my work. I would just be writing. So I made a video probably like a year and some change ago, about how journaling changed my life, how writing changed my life, because I always felt like my brain was moving too fast and it would like cripple me. You know, it would set me aback too much. So I was like, you know what? Let me start writing. And I got the idea from the meanest woman in school. She was a disciplinarian. Shout out to her. She watching this video. She was the lady. If you were to come into school late, you would have to go through her, get your tardy slip. Once you get 3 to 5-ish tardies in 2 weeks, a month, you get detention. She was the meanest to everybody else. She was the meanest woman in the school. She saw it in me. She saw something in me with my energy, with my personality, with my persona, and who I was, how I was talking to people, my charisma, right? She saw that in me, and she was like, you know what? I'm not going to write you up, but I'm going to give you a book, and I'm going to give you some pens. And whenever you feel the need to, just write. And she did that for me, and I'll never, ever forget her. Shout out Miss Freddie. And she never told me exactly what to write or how to write. She just said, start writing whenever you feel the need to. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, flustered with your thoughts, you don't really want to talk to people, you can just write it yourself. Do it whenever you can. So that's what I started to do. Every time I was in class, I just wrote. I wrote. I wouldn't be talking so much. I would be writing a lot. So since she never really told me, I didn't watch videos, I just started writing. And something told me, because I have great penmanship, and something told me to start titling and dating my journal entries. So to get this thing started, step one, get you a book. Get you a book and get you a solid pen. That's step one. Once you got that, we good. I like the little ones, okay? I like the little ones right here. That's like the size of my hand. It's just handheld, easy, pull it out anywhere, back pocket, and it's very accessible. That's what I like. Just so y'all know I ain't bullshitting. These are all of the books that I have. I have a lot more, trust me, a lot more. These are the books that I have completely filled. See that? Completely filled. This is my oldest one. This is my oldest one. You see the date right there? January 21st, 2019. And it has a whole lot of up in here. Look at the pages. Look at that. This is how I wrote on my birthday. See that? January 23rd, 2019. Every day. Every single day. February 4th. Like, it's y'all see it. Y'all see it. Okay? And obviously I love writing in black. But, so, let's go with step two. So now, we got a journal and we got a pen. Just Be Simple pen. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to date it. Make sure you date it. So today, it is December 10th, 2023. And I write in cursive. I don't know about y'all. I love writing in cursive. That's my thing. Now, step 2. Write to yourself as if you don't know yourself. I'm gonna say it again. Write to yourself as if you don't know yourself. So how I normally do it is I would start by, let's talk about the video. So I would go, today I am very energetic. I have filmed 12 to 14 videos already. And I wanted more today. Okay, see that? Boom. It's a couple sentences. Now, the thing that I focus on most is talking to myself in third person. And I know that may sound crazy, that may sound weird, but I like writing to myself in third person as if I am my higher self viewing myself in this reality. So a lot of times we don't have that connection, that spiritual connection with ourselves, so we become disconnected, right? And when I was in high school, that was one of the things that it got me to become more engaged with myself and more in tune with myself. Like, okay, why do I feel this way? And I would write it down. Why am I thinking the thoughts that I'm thinking right now? Because they're not mine. I don't think like that. I don't think negatively. I'm an optimist at heart. I don't think negatively. So why and how? I know the answer because I'm viewing it from my higher self and I'm just writing it. I'm not thinking about what to write next. I'm just writing. So that was a strong way for me to stay engaged and hold myself accountable as well. So after you go on and you write how your day is, what your thoughts are, what you went through, what you experienced, what you didn't experience, the third step is to be in the moment. Stay present. Stay present. Do not think about being nowhere else. Do not think about being nowhere else. I also have a dream journal where I've written down a lot of my dreams. Now, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want a video like that to describe how I write down my dreams and shit like that. But I'm not fantasizing and visualizing of being anywhere else. That's what visualization is for. That's what having time to think is for. Once you're journaling, you are journaling. You're in the moment of journaling. You know, and however you want to do it, which is step 4. Okay, I'm kind of going over it, see, because I go faster than my brain sometimes. But step 4 is find a place or find something that is going to keep you engaged. For example, I like to write by a body of water. I like to write at the lake, or in my car at the lake, or in the woods, in a park, preferably by myself. But, you know, I've done it so much now, it doesn't matter if 10 people are around me or I'm by myself. It doesn't matter. Or I like to use jazz music, meditation bells, sounds, maybe some R&B, light R&B, but I don't want any distraction because I am in the moment with what I'm doing. So I'm getting in my calmest, most zen-like state while writing because I don't want to think about what to write next because I'm holding myself accountable. Whether or not I had a phenomenal day or a bad day, a good night, a great night, a bad day, I'm writing what I'm feeling. The last step is you making it fun. Don't look at it like a chore, like a job. Don't look at it like something that's a strain on you. Do you want your life to get better? Do you want to learn from the mistakes that you made previously? If not, then you're going to do these things without feeling like it's too much. Oh, I got to wake up and I got to write. I got to wake up and I got to meditate. I got to wake up, and I got to go to the gym. No. Change that frequency from I get to write. I get to write my thoughts. I get to calm myself down with journaling, with going to the gym, whatever, right? I get to do it. Not I have to. It's a luxury. It's a pleasure. You know at Chick-fil-A, what do they say? Yeah, I get some Polynesian sauce and barbecue. Yep, that'll be it. All right, thank you. What did it say? My pleasure. My pleasure. You got to treat yourself like you are the customer and you want the best experience possible. Doesn't it feel so awesome when they say that at Chick-fil-A? Like, damn, you're not telling me thank you? You're not telling me appreciate it? You're not telling me, all right, bro. Shit, I'm getting a nice experience here. My pleasure. That's how you should treat it. Give yourself the best customer service. Have fun with it. If you want to write 3 times in a day, so be it. If you want to write different riddles, puzzles, ideas, dreams, you name it, write it. Have fun with it. Because trust me, there are some things that I've written down in the past that's came true in the present. I'm gonna say it again. There are things that I've written down in the past that came true in the present. And I wasn't thinking about if it's gonna come true or not. I just wrote down what I felt. What Kanye said. Most of the time, what we feel is what is right. That's true shit. Women and men, our feelings hold weight. Our feelings hold a lot of weight. Now you have the choice to let your ideas and your thoughts and feelings cripple you or make you stronger. Are they going to disable you or are they going to enable you? You got to make up your mind. So you just write all day. A little book. Don't cost nothing. Don't cost a goddamn thing. You just write all day. You just write. Look at this, y'all. Look. You see that? Just writing. Scratching, scribbling, anything. I know y'all enjoyed this video. Give me some feedback. Give me some comments down below on y'all's experience with journaling and writing and self-improvement. How your journey is going. How you feeling about your journey. Where you at currently, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. How y'all feeling. And if there's some more videos that y'all want me to make on this topic, on journaling, let me know some comments down below. I love y'all. Keep taking care of yourself. Just be simple. And it's JB. And I'm out.